Hey, excuse the bad lighting and whatnot, but just installing these foot pegs from China. Seem like the same as Tusk, like a copy of the Warp 9, I guess, and the Flow foot pegs. Seem to be decent. They come with extra of these little stainless steel rivets or dimples. There's a couple different designs. I like this one. It had like more webbing, like more inner structure to it. The other one had like three. See how there's these two bars on the inside of each one. The other one had like three, I believe. One on each side and then one in the middle. So I'm gonna throw it on the scale here. It's 4.8 ounces. And here's the stock eye that I took off. Probably should have cleaned off that dirt. I didn't see that on there, but let's see. I'll scrape it off now. And 7.1. Let's do it in grams. 200 grams for the stock foot peg, and 135. So it's considerable difference considering that people pay for titanium bolts and stuff to shave off grams. So also comes with new springs, and these seem like the stock ones are a pain to install on the 17 and up KTMs and Huskies. You have to like put it in place and then push it in. These ones seem a little bit softer than stock, which make it a little bit easier to push in. So that's pretty cool. So I'll give, if I'm doing another video, I'll make a separate video on a follow-up review, but if I'm doing another review or another video, I will comment on how they hold up. Thing that scares me a little bit, let's see if you can see this in the light better, is that this area just looks a little bit thin. So it could have, the spring, if you see how it fits in there, there is room. Sorry. There is room to beef that up a little bit. So I would have preferred to see that beefed up. Last thing I want to do is land off a jump and have these foot pegs break off. That's why I was hesitant to buy cheap China foot pegs in the beginning. But on the other hand, I guess if I'm landing off a jump that hard, I'd rather my foot peg break than my ankle, so who knows.